Hello everyone, welcome to the beginning of Module 3. I just wanted to review with you a few things for 451, and tonight at 11:59 p.m. is the due date and time for the Culture of Wellness paper. So if you go into Module 2 and you scroll pretty much all the way down, you'll see the submission site where you will be submitting your paper. And if you have any questions about how I'm going to grade the paper or what I'm really looking for contextualize in the paper, you can just click on the rubric and everything is listed there. So that is a wrap up from Module 2. You do not have to post in the discussion board if you do not want to. We actually discussed both of those questions the last time that we had met. So going into Module 3, this is a simple week. The only thing that's going to be do our discussion board posts. So you'll post your initial post, and then you'll have 2 response posts that you'll post to your peers' posts. So just make sure with that initial post that you post a reference. It can be a scholarly peer-reviewed article. It can be a website, whatever you find to support your initial post. And then just make sure that you post to 2 of your peers' posts. So going into Module 3, we're really going to be focusing on epidemiology and looking at herd immunity and how herd immunity works. We're also going to be looking at the socio-ecological model, which is my favorite model. It really takes into consideration all of those parameters that each of us have when it comes to our determinants, whether it be our interpersonal level, whether it be a policy level, could also be at the community level. So we're going to talk more about that when we meet next week on Wednesday. So I wanted to give you kind of a highlight of the socio-ecological model. And then of course, you can access the discussion board here, or you can also do it in the discussion board tab. So if you scroll down then to Module 3, there are 2 options. So you don't have to answer both of the options. You just need to pick one of the options, but then address each of the areas within there. So I do apologize. That is my cat Binks. He is wanting outside. So without further ado, I think I'm going to end our video now so I can address his needs. Anyway, if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. And I look forward to meeting all of you again in our course next week. Take care. Thank you.